Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install Velas wallet application for your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your App Store and also make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet, whether it is a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you're in the search box, type in Velas wallet and search. Look for this application and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app on your iPhone. Log in with your Face ID or your Apple ID and password, and you will be able to start the download process. Velas wallet is an official non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet developed by the Velas network team. They support a wide range of Velas-based tokens and allows users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrency securely. The application is available for both iOS and Android devices, so once the application is downloaded and installed, simply tap open the app and you can begin using the wallet to store, send, and receive cryptocurrency. So that's how easily you can download the Velas mobile wallet application for your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.